Hi, welcome to my workshop. My name's Darren and today I am answering the question, what's this? Now before I take it out of the box, just something I wanted to point out because it surprised me, pleasant surprise. 6-year warranty once you register it online. Quite a warranty. Alright, let's see what we get in the box. We're not expecting a lot. So we've got a great big cardboard insert with everything in it and nothing else in the box. So in the cardboard insert we have one medium bristle brush, says so on the back, medium bristle, one instruction booklet and the tool itself. And something really obvious and different about this compared to all the other tools is the clear plastic compartment for the battery to keep the battery dry. The power switch here is fully enclosed behind rubber. Okay, now to answer that question, this is the Ryobi R18CPS-0 power scrubber. It's a tool designed for cleaning. So we'll grab one of the brushes here. There are 3 brushes available. It comes with this medium bristle brush, and you can purchase a hard bristled brush and a soft bristle brush, and this one really is very soft. Soft bristle brush is recommended for things like upholstery, mirrors, stainless steel windows and cleaning your car. That's what I'll be using it for, cleaning the old car. The heavy bristle brush, obviously for heavy work, cleaning bricks, barbecues, removing rust. So the medium bristle brush is obviously everything in between, and I intend to use it for the shower. Previously I was actually using an old drill with a brush chucked into the end of it. But of course the drill's not water resistant. This is rated at IPX7 water resistant, so you can certainly splash it without a problem. The enclosure will keep the battery dry. The nice sealed switch will keep any moisture from getting in there. Likewise, there's no real openings in this. So let's fit the brush. Brush should just clip on the end here and twist, which it does. Now it says on the box you'll get 120 minutes runtime from a 4 amp hour battery. This is a 5 amp hour battery. Let's see if it fits. It does. It will take a 5 amp hour battery. And so there we are. It's not a normal trigger switch, it's an on-off switch. Watch. Which should save a bit of fatigue, constantly holding it while you're scrubbing it. So I guess the thing now is to take it for a bit of a run, see how it goes. I don't know how the colouring's coming out on the camera here, but the grout on these tiles is in fact meant to be grey. So that grey colour's not going to clean out. That's meant to be there. Alright, the cleaning fluid about the place. Okay, so I've popped some cleaning fluid on the wall. Let's give this thing a whirl, see how we go. And if you have a look here when I start this up, you'll see that the bristles flex out enough to get right into the corners, which is very handy. That's it. I've just done the whole thing. Quickest I've ever scrubbed a shower. This is what I used previously. It kind of did the job, but the bristles didn't flex out sideways, so it never got into the corners. So the corners need to be done separately. And while it's possible to hold it down at a slow spin, you always end up doing that. And soap flies everywhere, so it's a little bit too fast, even on the slow speed setting. This has a softer bristle and travels at a much slower speed. It does a much better job, I've found. Very pleased with it. Okay, so again I've got some safety glasses. And we're going to give this stiff bristled brush, or hard bristled brush, a go. It says it's good for barbecues. This is a barbecue. Let's give it a try. So you can see that's done an absolutely beautiful job. But unfortunately I'm going to have to re-season the hot plate because it's just taken it back to its original coating. Seems to do a good job of cleaning the car here. A couple of the bristles have fallen out when I first opened it, but since then it seems to have stopped happening, so that's good. One thing I like about it, let me move the tripod. One thing I really like is the way the bristles can really get right up in its grill. You get the bugs and things out. Because you can lock the switch on, you can actually use this handle to give you a tiny bit more reach towards the centre of the roof. Quite pleased with the blue bristled brush. It's done a good job of cleaning the car. It's very soft and it hasn't scratched anything. But because it's soft and non-scratching, of course, it's limited to what it will clean off. It's great for fly spots, but it's not going to get road tar off. It has worn a pattern in the middle a little bit too quickly. I mean, this is the first time I've used this brush, so that's a bit disappointing. But otherwise, quite pleased with it. At the beginning of the video I popped this 5 amp hour battery in here to see if it would fit a 5 amp hour, and it did. That has now cleaned 2 showers, 1 barbecue and a car. Let's see how much power it's got left. So it was full when we started. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Still full after 2 showers, a barbecue and a car, all cleaned. It's hardly made a dent in the power in this battery. Pretty pleased about that. That's a pro. Okay, so while we're talking pros and cons, let's also make sure, because that's kind of the point, and you can see, yes, this has stayed perfectly dry inside. So it's got a little O-ring around here to do that. And so quite pleased that it has. Pros and cons. Let's start with the con and get it out of the way. I think this lost its shape too quick, the soft bristle brush. I don't know if that's going to affect it long term. It might not. Washing the car with it was a lot like putting the car through a car wash. You've got those big bristles on the rollers there. It's a very soft brush, so it's good for getting off your regular dirt, your fly spots, your dust and what have you. It's not going to clean off road grime like bits of tar and stuff. It's just not that abrasive, which is good, because if it was, it would scratch your paintwork. And this didn't. This is soft as. The head's attached very easily. It's just a twist. Takes the head off. We've got this little star attachment here. Fits into the little, or triangular star if you like, whatever you want to call it, and they just fit together, very easy, and twist, and that's it, and they stay on. Now at first I thought that was a bit slow, but to be honest, it seems to be the perfect speed. As I mentioned, I was using a drill earlier to clean the showers with a similar sort of a head on it, but that just spat soap out sideways. This doesn't. This goes at just the right speed that the soap stays right where it needs to be, where it's doing the cleaning, and it's not shooting off sideways. Also, as I mentioned in the shower, the bristles come off away from the centre at an angle, so as you can get right up into the edges of things. All of the brushes do that, so that's really handy. Don't know whether it's a pro or a con, I'll let you decide. The hard bristle brush, although it doesn't feel that hard or abrasive to the fingers, it means business. It's not the sort of thing you need to clean your barbecue with if your barbecue's already fairly clean, as I found out. If you've got baked on food, maybe it's the go. But it's a shame I didn't have some rusty steel to give it a try on, because it says it would get that off, and I bet you it would. It's quite an aggressive little cleaner for a brush, even at low speed. Overall, very happy with it. Great purchase. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. Obviously there are other things you can clean with it. You've probably already thought of a heap yourself. Would I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. Who would use it? Who hasn't got a shower to clean, right? And it is so much quicker. I don't think there's ever a day gone past where I've cleaned 2 showers, a barbecue and a car, all in the morning, while filming. So I'm quite pleased with it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.